Hello friends, this is CICS Class 16 and today we will discuss about the additional topic. In this additional topic we will discuss about mainly concentrating on CEDA command and I will go to what is these are a command CEDA command CEDA defining the news in new CICS version. This is like a CEDA command used like earlier version of the CICS support like a file definition via through file control table. And this is a sample command like a CEDA define program name, your program name and group name, particular group name you have to define in the CSS terminal. Once you define like a CEDA command with a particular program name, group name, and you will get like a this screen you will get like a, and it will display like a defined successfully also at the bottom of the screen. And these are like program you have defined and group for the particular group you have defined at which group you have defined. And this is like a to define a transaction and CEDA define a transaction like 4 characters transaction and program name and group name. Once you define the transaction and it will going to display like after successfully display the transaction name particular group and program, you will able to define like here the define it successfully for this transaction and the particular program and group name. And like how to define map set to the particular program, and this is like a map set to CEDA define map set name particular group name. If you know the group name, then you can able to define the map set to the particular group name. And like once you define the map set, like you will get able to display like defined successfully for the particular defined map set name and group name. Even you can able to see in the screen like what are the map set and for the group name you have defined. And like to expand like a group name you have to give like a CEDA expand group name. Like what we'll do like expand means command useful to review verify the group name. What is the group name for which group name we can verify it here. Once your group name is expanded successfully, then you can able to see like these message you will get like expand group name and it will display like what are the group particular under this group name, what is the map set and program name transaction has been defined. And you can able to install like a group particularly particular group into the CS system like a CEDA install group name. Install command add like a group of resources to those currently used in to execute the CICS system. Once you install the successfully, then you can able to see these are like installation successfully message like for the CEDA command. That's all friends for the CEDA command. And these are like mainly important for the responsibilities. Even these are like we can able to go like a what sometimes the interview may ask like a are you able to create like a file control table, are you able to create an RCCT table, like these are like we can able to tell based on this responsibility the project leader will able can be do only the program and map set creation and transaction only he can able to do. Other thing, these are like responsibilities for the database administrator. File control table he can do DDIR, PDIR, and PSB. PSB like in IMSDB you will get it, and file RCT table to define the map name you have to define in the RCT table, and this is the bind you will do, and he can able to create the view also. And what system program will do like a terminal control table, all terminals has been defined in terminal control table and logical unit and sessions, and he can able to do DCT table. He will create like a define the destination 4 character ID for the TSQs. These are the responsibilities, and these are like installation conversion he will do that. Go through these screens. So again, pass the screen. You can able to go like what is the responsibilities for the each role for the each like a leader at database DBA will do, what the system programmer will do, what installation will do. And these are like some system defined like not for the developer is not required for these are like a only get to know like what is the terminologies. Pass the screen. I'm just share the screen like what is the terminology, but most of the time these are like it will not ask in the interviews. But these are not required for the developer. But just go to like pass the screen and go to the screens like a visual diagram of the screens, like what is how we can able to understand what is the terminologies of these things. Friend, these are not important, but like go to the like you can able to get like a more deep, if you are going to know like what is the deeper understanding of the CSS, go to these screens. But generally these things will not cover any of the ask any interviews, but just to know understanding, I'm covering each and every topic because I don't want to miss any single point in other screens. Because sometimes if we are not covering these are the things it is not covered, so that's the reason I'm covering each and every topic what are the there in the CSS, because I don't want to miss any single topic for you, like go to these topics. Because I want to cover like 100% productivity and to cover on CSS topic. Everyone should know like what is an CSS application. That's the reason I'm covering the all full 100% productivity on this video. Yeah, friends, if you are having any questions on the mainframe CSS question, please let me know in the comments. I will get back to you. Like, what is the answer for this one? Like, if you are I need to answer, like how to answer in the interview for the any CSS questions, let me know. And if you are faced any challenging questions in the CSS also, let me know. I will get you. I will answer like most of the time. See, I have worked like almost on 90% in the CSS. Programming and preparing the maps, and like most of the 90% I have worked in the development activities. I will be able to get like a answer to you. Even if I not able to get, like I will get to know like from try to get answer for you. Okay, friend, these are like a sample program they given how to like expanded the maps and all copybooks and all. Please pause the video. This how we can able to get like a expanded copybook and this sample program they given. You can able to pause the screen and go to like a sample syntaxes, how the syntax is defined, how they are going to handle the program logic. Because sometimes you maybe need like some of the syntaxes for the any your program and all. You can go to like these are like syntaxes mostly covered in this program. These are like a sample program they given like one of the sample query they given some sample requirement, and they like given they prepared this sample program here. Mainly go to like a not logic, go to like a syntaxes and like how they are going to handle for the each statement, how they prepared like a transaction, how they are sending the map. You may need like some of the time these are like a syntaxes. These are like a summary of the overview, like I have covered till now the CADA, and these are like a topics I have given sample of analysis of complete CSS program they given. That's all, friends, for the additional topic. For the next, I will cover like some more topics and next session. Thank you all.